we're going to start the chores up. The carburetor is dirty. It runs terrible. I need to do that. I'll start it up and let you hear it. Here it's just punting like that. It's definitely dirty. I cleaned a lot. I started cleaning it, then I got cut on the Fisker's handsaw, and let's see. I can't get a good picture. Hold on. Let's see. See it right there. I went to the hospital to get stitches, and they said I didn't need them. It's now that, so don't cut with the Fisker's handsaw after a rainstorm. It will just rip your finger up. So that's what that's looking like. It hurts a little bit, but you know, it is what it is. At least it wasn't rusty, so I didn't need a tetanus shot. So now I gotta clean this up. It's doing terrible on the hills. It just poops out, so you know, it's kind of disappointing. I've been using the Scott's lawnmower, which is really heavy, so it runs fine. It's just not fun to use. So I'm gonna finish working on that one, get that one running. So it's been hot as you know what around here, so I gotta go get firewood. Let's just see. I know there's a caterpillar out front, a backhoe out front. I think that's what it is. Let's go out front and see. There's a yeah. There's a sinkhole, and now they're fixing it. There's a truck that came on. Trailer they towed behind, so all Echo stuff runs fine, so that's it.